Stay on with us on the broadcast, as we are also getting a big breaking development now. In the latest, devotees will not be allowed to stay within 3 kilometers around that region of Sangam following the stampede at the Mahakumbh Mela at the Sangam Nose. This is one of the, in fact, latest of the changes that have promulgated after the guidelines, and the key proposed changes by the administration have kicked in. DGP of the Uttar Pradesh, Prashant Kumar, will reach Kumbh area today as well to inspect Sangam Ghat. He will also review the security and hold a meeting with the concerned officials. All right, Arzu, what we are learning is that in just a bit from now, we are expecting the Uttar Pradesh DGP to reach the Ghat and to take the meeting with the officials in this regard to review the preparedness.
Well, yes, Simran, after the incident that happened was very unfortunate, and after that, now the senior officers will be on ground to make sure the safety and order of the, public and the devotees who are coming here. And in that row, also now devotees will not be allowed to be there, 3 kilometers from the Triveni Sangam. They have to stay away from the 3 kilometers from the Triveni Sangam, the particular point where the devotees are coming in a large number to take a holy dip. And we would like to also show the visuals from this particular site. As you can see also, this is the way to go at the Triveni Sangam, and as you can see, the path is empty because in very less number the devotees are being allowed to go from the side, as continuously the announcement is being made by the officials to go to the other ghats also. There are more than 20 ghats have been set up to go to that ghat to take a holy dip, and you will get the same merit from taking a bath in that holy, in that particular ghat, in that Ganga dip also. So this that attempt is being made to make the public understand the consequences of the situation, and that's why continuously it is being said the entire area. Simran, you can see in the visuals, the viewers who are watching us can clearly see that the entire area has been barricaded, and continuously the announcement is being by the Uttar Pradesh police regarding the changes, and now the public is not allowed to enter this particular route, which is going to the going to a single ghat, that is Triveni Sangam. So that's why the diversion has been made, and as you also mentioned, the devotees will not be allowed to stay within the 3 kilometers of the Triveni Sangam. So this is being done to divide the crowd into different ghats, so that there should not be a massive crowd at one place to avoid the situation like a stampede. Yes, Simran.
All right, Arzu, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us as we are also learning about more recent updates that we are gathering. The state government has ensured